For the last decade, HP's industrial 3D printing technology has helped transform factory production. But we know that independent studios, engineering labs, and growing workshops dream just as big. Introducing the new HP Multijet Fusion 1200 3D printer solution. A complete ecosystem consisting of a printer, a material management system, and a natural cooling unit. Together, they create an easy, clean, and contained workflow that fits naturally into everyday engineering, providing a simple and scalable way to build real additive capability that fits your workspace and your budget. It all starts with the build preparation software, Magix Print for HP, powered by Materialize, part of the Co-AM ecosystem. With the easy packing solution, you can arrange complex geometries within your build space and send them to print quickly and easily. The printer automatically starts the job. Inside, the advanced HP Multijet Fusion technology begins by depositing a thin layer of powder across the build area. It then applies agents and fuses the material layer by layer to create precise functional parts. Each layer is fused simultaneously across the full build area, helping deliver more isotropic mechanical properties and consistent layer times, regardless of the part complexity. Thermal energy activates the fusion process, fusing the material where fusing agent has been applied, while maintaining precise geometric detail where detailing agent was applied. A dual camera system featuring thermal and process control allows you to monitor the build in real time from your workstation without having to walk over to the printer. Once printing is complete, the job is extracted into the natural cooling unit, which features a transparent cover. Meanwhile, the printer is immediately ready to start the next job. Next, the build is transferred to the material management system, where an innovative automated unpacking process separates the parts from the surrounding powder. Open the guillotine, secure the transparent lid, and initiate the automated unpacking cycle. Parts are cleaned quickly via vibration. Excess powder is automatically recovered and directed to the tank below for reuse, reducing manual handling and speeding up the process. Preparing for the next job is easy. Move the recycle tank to the top of the material management system. Then, remove the tank from the printer and attach it to the bottom of the MMS. HP's innovative automatic mixing technology blends fresh and recycled powder at up to an 80-20 ratio. The mixed material tank is then returned to the printer. The printer automatically detects the new material supply to start the next build. Because this solution shares the same core technology as HP's high-volume industrial 3D printing platforms, it provides a path to scale as your production needs grow. Bring industrial HP Multijet Fusion technology to your workflow with the HP Multijet Fusion 1200 3D printer solution, a system designed to fit your workspace and budget. Iterate your ideas fast and manage your production easily and efficiently, while bringing high-quality parts to life. HP Multijet Fusion 1200 3D printer solution. Start fast, dream big.